This photo shows buildings at the bottom of Tredegar, but was owned by the Tredegar Iron and Coal Company. The large building on the right side of the photo was the company's main office. A tall building in the middle was the granary, where they would store all of the food for the company's horses, which worked in the coal pits. The row of buildings to the left were where the horses were kept when not in the ground. Being at the heart of a large iron and coal company meant that this area would have been very busy with office workers, horses and miners, constantly coming and going, not to mention the trains coming back and forth delivering grain to the granary. Today the Granary and Stables have all gone and a new set of houses and flats have been built on the site. The offices remained until the year 2001 and was destroyed by a fire. A new set of flats were built in its place, however. You will notice that they were built in a similar style as the offices that once stood there, complete with corner turret.